Yeah, from 99. He's in the industrial area. Looks like he's on a pavement. Stand by.
Hello people and sheeple, Pinaki News. Well, I've received another video upload request. This time I do believe we have found the dumbest, the thickest PC in the country. In fact, this sergeant is as clueless about the law as a 2-year-old. She thinks she can confiscate your phone, she can create dispersal orders, she thinks it's illegal to record private property. How this person made sergeant, I don't know. In fact, I can guess how this female made sergeant, and I don't think it was through intelligence. Anyway, enjoy watching this complete disgrace to the police uniform.
This is really cool. It closes automatically. It's really cool. Hello.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm fine, thank you.
Good. What are you up to?
Have your name and colour number, please.
What are you up to?
Have your name and colour number, please.
PC 5336. What are you
And you?
doing? There you go.
4774.
What are you up to?
Just recording in a public place.
What for? What?
Because I can.
What are you filming the police cars for?
Because I can. It's in a public place, obviously.
Well, that's not, is it?
Yeah, but from a public place you can record anywhere that isn't.
For what reason then?
But you can.
Hi.
If it's a public place.
What's your name?
I don't give any details to you unless I've committed an offence.
Is it
Have I
William,
committed an offence?
Yeah, I think it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Have I committed an offence?
What's his last name, do you know?
I think Ansel, William Ansel.
William Ansell.
No?
Is it? Yeah.
No?
So, William, what would you intend to do with that footage?
Personal use.
For what?
Just personal use.
Like what, though?
Have I
I'm
committed
interested.
an offence? Am I being detained?
Right, William,
Am I being detained?
hang on, I'm talking to you.
Am I
Can you
being
answer-
detained?
No. Can you answer my question?
Can you answer mine? Am I being detained?
No, can you answer my question?
Am I being detained?
Right, okay. What
Can
I'd
you
like
answer my
to
question?
do-
Am I being detained?
No, you're not
I'm
being
not
detained.
being detained, so I'm free to go.
You can go wherever you like. What we don't want you to do is film the police station.
Well, it's from a public place, so
No, it's not.
it is.
Station isn't a public place.
Yeah, but this is a public place. This public easement. Would you like me to show you a letter from Chief Constable Andrew Trotter, ex-police Chief Constable Andrew Trotter, who says that it's perfectly fine for public photography?
I don't think you want to be arrested, so...
What are you going to arrest me for?
You nicely.
What are you going to arrest
Right.
me for? Can you please
I'm
not
trying
2
to
metres,
speak to
please?
you,
2 metres,
William,
please.
and I'd like you to put your phone in another direction other than
No.
the police station, 'cause that's not a public place.
Yeah, but you can record a private place from a
continue,
public
William,
place.
I will have no choice, okay, than to take further action.
And what further action would that be?
You've been advised previously.
Can you please advise me what further action that is?
You've been advised previously
I'm asking
not
you.
to record the police station.
Sergeant, I'm asking
okay.
you, what further action would you take?
Right, that depends on what you do. I'm
Filming
advising you
filming
now.
from a public place.
Don't talk over me, William. I'm
Filming
advising
from a public
you now,
place.
okay, giving you the opportunity to move your phone, otherwise I will look at seizing your phone, because we don't know what you're doing.
You can't seize my
There
phone.
has been a
Seize
high-
my phone under what?
William, are you aware of the risk of terrorism at the moment, how
This-
high it is?
This is not for terrorist
Do you
use, and the
understand
onus is on
why
you.
we may have concerns?
So do you have concerns in Section 58 of the Terrorism Act? Is that what you're citing?
Understand the
Is it
risk?
Section
I'm
58?
not quoting legislation. I don't need to quote
Yes, you do.
legislation because I know it, William.
Oh. Okay.
But what I'm asking you is, do you understand our concerns? Because if you do, then you would walk away with your
You
phone.
may have concerns, but that
William,
doesn't warrant
you can
reasonable
quote
suspicion.
Pace and legislation to me till it's coming out of your ears. However, that is not a public place, and you will not film it.
You can film it from a public
no,
place.
you will not be filming the
You
police
can film
station.
anything from a public
No,
place.
no, that's where you're incorrect.
That
Not a
is
police
not.
station,
Yes,
it's
you
not
can.
a public place.
Is it protected
If
by the Crown?
You're purposely stood here
Is it
to
protected
record
property
that
by the
police
Crown? Does it
station,
have bylaws
then we
that
have
say that you don't
serious
have to
issues.
film it?
William,
Do you have?
what's more concerning
Does it
is
have?
to me
Do you
is
have
why
bylaws
do
which
you
say that
want
it's
to-
protected
why
by the
would
Crown
anybody want
and that
to
you can't film
a
it?
police station?
Do you have bylaws
William,
which say?
why would anybody want to film a police station?
Because it's
for their own
it's from a public
interest?
place.
No,
It's a
why
nice
would you want
building.
to?
Architecture's very nice, and it's
William,
paid by
that's
people
not,
who pay
that's
their
not amusing,
taxes.
and you're not impressing me at all.
People
Do
pay
you
their
understand
taxes and buy this
how busy
building.
the police are? Do you understand?
Oh, you must
Do
be
you
very busy
understand how
during this
busy the
current
police
climate.
are?
Yeah.
And you are distracting us from our duties.
I'm distracting you. You came out to me. I didn't ask for you
Yes,
to come out.
because you're recording the police station.
And that's
We
not a
don't
criminal
know,
offence.
We don't know what you're recording.
Okay, I'm doing it for
So
a-
you carry on
I'm
quoting
doing it for a
legislation,
public
but I'd
business.
like you to walk away with your phone. You can
No.
record all around here. That's absolutely fine.
It's
But do
information
not
that's for public
record-
interest.
Do you not listen to people?
It's information for public interest.
William, you're being rude.
I might be
being
being
very
rude,
rude.
but that's not a criminal offence, is it?
Why are you recording a police station? I'm
Because
genuinely
it's-
interested.
you
So
okay.
answer me.
Okay, so I'm recording the police station because I'm in a public place.
Yes.
And I can record anything that can be seen from a public place. There's no expectation of privacy in a public place or in a place which can be seen by from a public place.
Okay. So why would you turn and point your phone at a police station?
Because
why would
I can
you
see
do
it
that?
from a public place, and I was actually watching the cars go in.
William, you've been walking around the police station.
Yeah, I've been walking around, looking at the architecture, looking at all the different officers, coming in, doing
all the
the duties.
plain vehicles in the back, you've been doing that.
Yeah. All the different
For what
vehicles
reason?
paid by the
There's
taxpayers.
only one reason that people do that, and
What's
that's to
that?
commit a crime.
That's to commit a crime.
Yeah.
Are you inferring something?
Well,
Are you-
that's the only reason why people would do that, isn't it? So
No.
what we're asking you is just to go.
I'm not looking to commit a crime, and you have no reasonable evidence to say that I'm going to be committing a crime.
Well, to film a police station and film a car with a private.
Common law
Around
doesn't
the
state
other
that that
side.
is
Doesn't
reasonable
matter, you can
suspicion.
state whatever law you want at me.
It's common law, isn't
something that you
legislation.
do.
No,
It's
but-
our plain vehicles around the side.
Yeah.
So what we've asked you to do
I
is
didn't
go
actually
now.
know they were plane vehicles. I thought they were officers'
Oh, right,
cars.
okay, in
but-
the back
That's
Right.
even
of the
more
police
concerning.
station.
You thought they were officers' cars.
Yeah, so
Oh,
I
right,
was
so
looking
now
at
you're
the
filming
officers
officers'
coming out.
cars.
Yeah.
Oh, right, why? For
Oh,
what
because I thought
reason?
they were coming out from their duty. You had
Yeah,
the,
so
you
you're
had
out
the
filming
detective
officers'
constable.
cars. Right,
Yeah.
okay.
What
The
for,
officer car
William?
park.
William, what for?
Because I can. Because it's a
No,
public
you
place.
can't.
No, you can't.
No,
Because it's a
you
public
cannot.
place.
You cannot record
And what says
private
that?
property.
Yes, you
okay,
can.
that is private. That
And what
backyard.
says that? Is it just you
Is
and
this-
your little head
is
that
this a
says
little
that
quiz
you
that you're
can't
trying
do
to
that?
perform to
No,
us
no,
now?
I'm just asking
Right,
you.
William,
I'm
do
just
not
asking
record
you.
officers' cars.
Okay,
That is extremely
is that-
dangerous to those officers.
is that an
because We
order?
don't know where you're going to.
Is that an order?
William, listen to me,
Is that
please.
an order?
William,
I'm
do not
asking you a question.
record-
Is that an order?
Listen to me, please.
I'm asking you a
Do
question.
not
Is that an
record police
order?
officers'
I'm
cars,
asking you a
because
question.
if
Is that an order?
appears on social
It won't be
media,
appearing
you
on
will
social
be
media.
located and spoken
Okay.
to and arrested.
Okay. Arrested
Because you
for
are
what?
putting those officers in danger. Do you
Okay.
understand that?
No, I don't believe I am, but
Police
okay.
have a dangerous job
Yeah, they
without
do.
this nonsense.
They
You
do.
wanting
This
to
isn't
film them.
nonsense, but anyway.
Right, well, what concerns me more is why a young lad like yourself would want to spend his time walking around a police station and filming officers' cars.
Well, I mean, it's coronavirus. You can't really do much right now,
No, you
and
can
I
do
thought,
lots now. There's lots you can do.
of course,
Do you
there is.
work? Do you
So this
study?
is one thing which I'm doing, which
So,
is
William,
walking
I'm
around in a public
genuinely
place.
interested. Do you work or are you at college?
I prefer not to answer that.
Okay, that's absolutely fine.
Okay.
only trying to get some conversation out of you to understand why you're doing
Can I
this.
ask you a question on a person-to-person basis? That you're saying that I can't film
You can't
private,
film the police station.
that I can't film
You can
private
film.
land from a public place. Can you tell me
Right.
where you've got that information from?
Right, no, I can't tell you
Okay.
that. I'm not prepared to tell you anything about that.
Okay.
What I'm saying is, it's not appropriate to record.
It doesn't matter
police
where it's appropriate
Well,
or
you're not even going to listen, are you?
No.
You're not going to listen.
No.
You're just being rude.
I'm not being rude.
Do not film police officers' vehicles,
William.
private vehicles.
Yes.
Are you going to leave?
Can you give me a recollection number and state your name?
You can see it, William. You
377.
can see it, William.
300575. And your name?
You got my number there, mate.
Can I see your warrant card?
No.
Can I see your warrant card,
Are you going to
please?
leave, William?
Proof that you have authorisation to exercise your
William,
duty,
you're
your
not going
warrant
to see any
card.
warrant card. You don't need to.
Yeah, but you have to produce it upon request.
No.
That's your
You
that's
don't.
Cheshire's
If you're being
policy. That's
searched,
Cheshire Police
maybe.
policy.
William, you're
That's
not
Cheshire
seen
Police
any warrant cards,
policy.
okay?
Cheshire
End
Police
of story.
policy. Upon request, you will produce your
William,
warrant card.
please.
I know your
You-
policies very well.
Are you going
So
to
do
leave,
I.
William?
Yeah. Sorry?
Are you going to leave?
No.
Yeah, because we can't really have...
Is that an order for me to
Eh?
leave? Is that an order for
No,
me to
we're
leave?
telling you to.
Sorry?
Telling you to leave, aren't we?
But are you asking me, or are you giving me a direct order?
Telling you to leave.
Is that an
You
order?
can go on your own, right? You can walk away, or I'll go and get one of those direction to leave, and then you won't be able to come back for 24
Yeah.
hours. Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay.
So you're saying you're not going to leave?
No, definitely not.
Good. So you are going to go?
Sorry?
You are going to go?
No.
Pardon?
No.
Why would you be able to
Are you giving
William?
me a dispersal
Right, the
order?
officer's just explained to you what she's going to do. I'm not repeating it,
Okay.
William.
And what
We're
gives you the
very busy today.
and what gives you the grounds to give me a dispersal
William,
order?
Listen to me.
What gives you
we are
the
very
grounds to
busy
give me a
today,
dispersal
and you
order?
are wasting police time.
I'm not wasting
Do you
police time. You're
understand?
wasting police time.
Right, do you understand there's an offence of wasting police time as well?
Yeah, but
You
I'm
do.
not
You
committing
know
that
your
offence.
legislation, you'd know that as well.
I'm
we are
not
very
committing
busy
an
today
offence.
with some
I
serious incidents.
I didn't call
and
you
are
up. You
wasting
came
time.
out.
No, William, you know what you've done.
I've
okay?
not committed any offences.
Right, the
If I
office-
have, arrest me under Pace Code G paragraph 2.1.
William, right, the officer's gone to get the order, okay?
Dispersal order,
You
and
will
what-
be asked.
And
You'll
what
find
rights
out when
do you
she comes
have to
back.
give me a dispersal order?
When she comes back, she will direct you, okay?
And what rights does she have to give me a dispersal?
Are you
should know
questioning
that
me?
as a sergeant.
Are you questioning
Yes.
me? How dare you?
How dare I?
Yes, how
you're,
dare
you're,
you?
You're a crown servant. You're a crown servant.
Chewy, Claire's going to get the necessary, okay? And then, you're not going to leave?
No.
Okay. You're not helping yourself here, William. You're really
not helping
Really
myself.
not. Really not helping yourself, and you're not helping Cheshire Constabulary at all.
Aren't I? Oh,
No, because you're wasting here 2 patrols at the
I'm
moment.
not wasting the time. You came out to me for no particular reason. You leave any time you want. I'm not detaining you.
Chewy, I'll go and sort that out, okay?
Are you detaining me?
William,
Are
do
you?
see...
Am I currently being detained?
No, let's
Answer my question, please. Yes or no? Am I being detained?
No.
No. Thank you. Bye bye.
Are you going, are you?
No, I'm staying around the area, but I'm just leaving this place. Right here. You don't have any You don't have any. You don't have any authority to back it. You have no expectation of privacy. Go inside if you want to have your private conversation. Go inside if you want to have your conversation. There's an expectation of privacy indoors. There isn't here. Hello, Sarge. How are you doing? Would you like me to come over to you, or do you want to come over here? Oh, nice in the shade here. How are you doing? You didn't give me that dispersal notice.
No. William, basically,
Oh, there's 2 meters, please.
yeah, what I've decided to do is,
Yeah.
you've been seen filming private vehicles.
Which
Okay.
is not illegal,
So-
but sure.
What I'm going to advise you now is that if any of that footage of those private vehicles is on any social media whatsoever, you
Yeah.
will be arrested
For
for malicious communications.
Okay, and what grounds do you have for that?
understand?
What grounds do you have for
No,
that?
do you understand what that is?
I have to have intent for that to be malicious. I
No,
don't
do
have
you
intent for that.
understand?
To
Do
be...
you
I
understand what that
understand that, but I know that I don't have the intent for that to be malicious.
I'm warning you now that if you do put that on social media, you'll be arrested.
Okay.
You'll be interviewed.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we'll take the job to the CPS.
Yeah.
Okay. So you've been advised not to put any of that on social media.
Is that summary or indictable?
Why? What difference does that make?
I'm just curious.
Right. We're not here.
I'm just curious. Is that summary or indictable?
William. We've gone round and round around the houses. We're not here to be questioning
Is that
legislation.
summary or indictable?
What I'm concerned
I'm
about
just
is what you
questioning.
intend to do with
Public
that information,
usage.
because I've now seen you filming private officers' vehicles, and
Public
that's really
usage.
concerning to them. Do you understand why?
I'm not intending on just coming out here to film officers' vehicles.
No,
I'm out here.
You told me earlier, and it will be on your camera, you told me earlier that you wanted to film private vehicles.
I said, actually, I looked through the footage again. I said
Anyway,
that.
William, you've been
No,
advised,
you're not going to listen to
and
what?
that's all. No, that's all we wanted to tell you.
Okay, no problem.
So do not put that on social media.
Okay. Oh, I'm also going to make a freedom of information request for your body-worn videos. Do either of you have them on right now? Officers? 5336, do you have your body-worn video on right now? Hiya. I was just wondering if Officer 5336's body-worn video camera was active when she came out to speak to me.
If his video camera was on, what?
If Officer 5336's body-worn video camera was active when they came out to speak to me before.
Well, I wouldn't know. Why do you need to know?
Because they came out to speak to me, I'd like to freedom of information request it, so could you ask them?
If it's freedom of information request, you have to go through data protection at headquarters.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
Yeah, so you need to ring 101 and make the request through them.
Yeah, but I was just wondering if you could ask 5336 if her body-worn video was active, save me making the request and it not being. If you could just ask her.
I can ask, can you?
Thank you very much.
Was it? Do you know his name?
No, it's a female.
5366.
Sorry?
5366.
5336 5336, yes.
What's your name?
I prefer not to give it, thank you. I prefer not to give it, thank you.
Right, well, I need to know really so I can ask, tell them who it is that's asking.
Yeah,
So
they'll know who it is.
I'll say.
Just say the person that they just saw out the front, yeah, they'll know.
Do they know your name?
No, I don't think so, no.
Right. Can you tell me what you were talking to them about?
They just came out to warn me of that I could potentially be prosecuted for malicious activities, apparently.
Are you recording me now?
Yes.
You're supposed to tell me first.
No, but okay. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you very
So
much.
apply for the freedom of information through the data protection office.
Yeah, I'll do it through the website.
Okay.
Alright, thank you very much.
Press green button to get out.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
And it's gone right at the end there.
You got into a Sainsbury's.
Put that camera down, or we will tase you.
I know.